classroom rules. So, classroom rules. Everyone, please read. Very good. So, before we start, I will introduce to you first our objectives. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to analyze the influence of technology integration in the 21st century skills. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify the main idea in a complex paragraph. So now that you know our objectives, I have questions. Ms. Sakares, this is your question. For you, what is Education 4.0? Okay, very good. Thank you so much, ma'am. And question number 2 to Mr. Salagosti. What is Industrial Revolution 4.0 or IR and Education 4.0? Oh, very good. Thank you so much, sir. So now let's proceed to our main topic. Our topic is all about the 21st century curricular landscape in the classrooms. Industrial Revolution 4.0 and Education 4.0 is a response to Industrial Revolution 4.0 or IR 4.0. What is IR 4.0? So it is the current wave of technology advancement that is transforming the manufacturing sectors and beyond. It is also known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution Industry or 4.0. It is an approach to learning that aligns with the Fourth Industrial Revolution. It focuses on developing skills like complex problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity, and lastly, emotional intelligence that are demanded in IR 4.0. So, IR 1.0 was the invention of the steam engine, or it refers to the first industrial revolution which took place in the 1st century, primarily in England. This era was marked by the significant shift from handcraft economy to one-based mechanization and the use of power steam or steam power. So number 2, IR 2.0 was the age of the science and mass production. So it means that the second IR, also known as the technological revolution, it took place from approximately 1870 to 1914. This revolution was a vital era that laid the groundwork for modern industrial society, and also it introduced transformative technologies and processes. So, IR 3.0 is the digital revolution. So, it continues to evolve with ongoing advancement in areas like artifacts, intelligence, the interest of things, and the big data. It also presents challenges related to the job displacement, economy inequality, and the ethical emplacement of advanced technology. So the last one is IR 4.0. Is a computers connected to computers. So the fourth industrial revolution is the term used to describe the current wave of technology advancement or artificial intelligence. We get technology connected to one another across the global or across the country or the borders. So next, Education 4.0. With all these profound changes brought about IR 4.0, how should education be? And what and how should schools teach? What curriculum consists of? What should curriculum focus on? The answers to these questions are actually what Education 4.0 means. In the other words, Education 4.0 is the response of education sectors to all change brought Industrial Revolution 4.0. So, Education 4.0 ensures the teaching learning experience will take advantage of the limitless opportunities created by advanced technology. We all know that using technology, we can learn more and we can get some information about this curriculum because we already know how to use technology in this modern curriculum or modern world. So with the efficiency of machines, routinized jobs can be done by machines with greater efficiency than human laborers. So human laborers must taught how to use the machines at their advantages. So now let me show you there are 10 skills demanded by IR 4.0 enumerated the World Economic Forum report as follows. First is complex problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, people management, coordinating with others, emotional intelligence, judgment and decision making, serve orientation, negotiation, and number 10 is cognitive flexibility. So, Education 4.0 must intentionally and formal include program outcomes, course outcomes, and the learning outcomes that are focused on the development of team skills for success in Revolution 4.0. School curricula should develop a new generation that is analytical and their way of thinking is continuously adaptable to new skills and new rules. So, did you get our topic, class? Very good, thank you so much. So now, let's have an activity. I will group you into 2 groups and each group will present. So count off from 1 to 2. Okay, there's group 1 and the group 2 will sit there. So group 1 will explain what Education 4.0 in the school curriculum. Then the group 2 will discuss ways of implementing Education 4.0. Then I will give you 5 minutes to prepare your task. So timer starts now. Okay, are you done, class? So group 1 is present your answer. Okay, very good. Thank you so much, group 1. Now the group 2. Oh, thank you so much. That's so impressive. Thank you, group 2. So let's give let's give a round of applause, please. So good job, everyone. I know that you'll get our topic. So before we end our topic, let's evaluate first our discussion. Get 1 full sheet of paper and answer the following, writing if the statement is true and false if the statement is false. Are you done, class? Oh, very good. So let's check your own papers. I know that you are all good, so no cheating, please. Cheaters is not good. So number 1 is false, number 2 is true, and from 3 to 5 is false. Okay, class, you got a perfect score. Oh, very good. Thank you so much, class. You got all perfect scores. So, as an assignment, read in advance about the new teacher's education curriculum so that you can research about it so we can have a smooth meeting yet the other day. Okay, thank you. Goodbye, class.